Welcome back to Driveline. The future of driving doesn't roar. It whispers elegance, commands respect, and moves with unmatched intelligence. Enter the 2026 Opel Insignia, a masterpiece born from innovation and passion. Designed to move hearts as much as it moves wheels, it's not just evolution, it's revolution, crafted for those who demand more than the ordinary. A bold evolution of identity. The 2026 Opel Insignia marks a monumental leap in Opel's design philosophy. Gone are the traditional sedan lines. In their place stands a sleek, fastback-inspired silhouette that exudes power and sophistication. The new visor front grille, with its sharp LED matrix headlights and illuminated emblem, defines the new face of Opel's premium direction. Every curve is deliberate, every angle aerodynamic, sculpted not just for aesthetics but for efficiency. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar and a sculpted bumper give the Insignia a futuristic and muscular stance. The proportions have grown slightly longer, wider, and lower, emphasizing a sportier, grand touring character that sets it apart from conventional executive sedans. An interior that feels truly premium. Step inside, and the Insignia greets you with what Opel calls the Pure Panel Next, a widescreen digital cockpit that seamlessly integrates two massive displays, one for the driver and another for infotainment. The minimalist design blends high-quality materials such as brushed aluminum, soft touch leather, and ambient lighting that reacts to your mood or driving mode. Comfort takes center stage with ergonomic AGR-certified seats, enhanced cabin insulation, and an advanced air purification system that maintains a clean, serene environment even in heavy traffic. Space is generous, both for passengers and luggage, making the Insignia perfect for long-distance touring. Power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Opel Insignia embraces electrification without abandoning its performance DNA. The lineup includes mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric variants, all tuned for maximum efficiency and driving pleasure. The range-topping Insignia G-Say Grand Sport Electric delivers around 340 horsepower, powered by dual electric motors and an advanced all-wheel drive system. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 5 seconds, yet remains remarkably quiet and smooth thanks to its new adaptive air suspension. Meanwhile, the plug-in hybrid version combines a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine with an electric motor for a combined output of 300 horsepower and a pure electric range of up to 90 kilometers. Ideal for urban commuters who crave both power and sustainability. Technology that thinks ahead. The Insignia 2026 is not just a car. It's an intelligent companion. Featuring Opel IntelliDrive 3.0, the car integrates adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, predictive navigation, and semi-autonomous highway driving. The system learns from your habits, adjusts suspension settings dynamically, and even suggests the most efficient routes based on live data. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system come standard, turning every journey into a first-class experience. A statement of modern luxury. The 2026 Opel Insignia redefines what a modern executive car can be: elegant yet bold, efficient yet thrilling. It bridges the gap between traditional combustion power and the electric future, offering a perfect balance of design, performance, and technology. For those who crave distinction and confidence behind the wheel, the new Insignia is not just transportation. It's inspiration in motion.